Yes, of course. We will do immediately, Frank. Memory bank is very important for our research. We have to create individual data for all our clients. Memory bank is very useful for our research and will develop our business bigger.
Yes, of course. France, Russia, America, and Japan developed like this memory bank research. You have to start this research in India also. You have to start the procedure immediately.
So
Daddy?
we will do hard work.
Daddy!
1 minute, Frank. I will get back to you. Continue.
Always you're doing work.
Uh,
You're always with the laptop board meeting. You can't even spend 5 minutes for me, Daddy.
it's a very important meeting. Cannot be avoided. Had a breakfast?
No,
Had a tablet?
it's already late for work. Karthik is also waiting for me. I'll take it later.
Don't listen to what I have to say. Okay, love you. Bye.
Love you.
Don't forget to take a tablet.
Very caring. Bye.
Whenever I see her, my mind voice full of Raja sir song. Raja sir, you are legend.
What, Karthik? You look so handsome.
Huh? Who? It's me.
You only, da.
Are you teasing me? You didn't see in this shit before.
No. If I say like that, at least you will say that I'm beautiful. You are such a waste fellow, man.
Excuse me, madam. Sorry for everything. It's time for office. Shall we move? Come. Shall we move?
Our press office, number 1 position 2, comes to number 2 position. What is the reason? Any ideas?
What is the reason, sir?
It's because of useless people like you.
You do your work. I will do my work.
Good
We
morning,
both no need
brother.
to. Hi, bro. What happened, bro? You are looking so smart.
Brother, don't
What is
tease
the
me,
reason?
brother. I went to my native.
I think he loves someone. So that only becomes fine.
Brother, I already committed. I'm not single like you, okay?
Hey, what are you saying?
Hey, don't see him. He's coming. You work something. Hi, brother.
Hi, bro.
Sit, brother. Hey, how is man? How is going on?
Hey,
Eh?
what, da?
Hey, nothing. We are simply talking.
Something seems like
Hey,
that
hey.
you're gossiping
Hey,
about us.
nothing like that.
Why, bro?
Hey, leave me alone.
Hello.
You are preparing gossip.
Hey, what I am saying here, he is eating biscuits now.
He'll ask where is the thesis paper. I want to kill him like this. Good morning, sir.
Every day you are coming late to office and also in meeting. Just go.
Psycho.
Almost, you all completed your 2 months of training period. 1 month is remaining. Still, no one knows how to take the case and analyze it. Still, you don't have any basic qualities of the reporters. What are you guys thinking? Every day you are coming like this. It's not a good manner for reporter. Within 1 month, you have to take the case and analyze it and present the thesis in my table. Meeting is over. Thank you. Ashwini, this is the last warning. Don't come late.
Okay, sir. Shit, it's you.
What? Are you scary?
I was already angry. Don't make me angry anymore.
Why? What happened?
It has been 3 months in the journalist job, Karthi. He's scolding me that I can't even analyze a single case. I have to submit the project by end of this month. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Leave it. I will take care of it.
You'll take care?
Yeah,
Are you serious?
let's have a try. My uncle is a police officer actually.
Okay.
Definitely, there are a lot of cases. We can take any interesting cases and we'll do it. So don't worry, leave it.
Hey, super Karthi. Then please talk to him about this.
Surely I will do it for you.
Huh? Then okay.
Hi Karthik, how are you?
I'm good, uncle. How are you?
Yeah, I'm too good. Have you waiting for much time?
No, just now I came. Do you need coffee?
Whatever your wish.
2 cold coffee.
Okay, sir. 2 minutes.
Hey Karthik, I met you long time back.
Yes, uncle. I have a lot of work in office, so little busy. What, uncle? Are you still angry?
Hey, you know very well about me. Why I am angry with you? You are?
No.
What I say? Just some misunderstanding with me and your father. You just leave it. Take it. 20 years case details here in file.
Okay.
Whatever you want, select it. One important detail.
Tell me, uncle.
Don't tell anyone I have given this, okay? Otherwise it will become a problem.
Sure. I will take care, uncle.
Then Karthik,
Uncle?
to whom? For your girlfriend? Hey Karthik, I know everything. I'm a police officer.
Uncle, you are super, uncle.
This is an accident case 3 years before in ECR. This case, 3 peoples are involved. This case
Okay.
is withdrawal. Go to next. This is the pending case. 5 special forces have been sent, but still we couldn't find the case. Show me the next.
Oh.
Wait for a minute. Yeah, tell me, Murugan.
Someone kidnapped a customs officer's daughter, sir.
When?
Today morning, sir.
Which place?
Neelangara, sir.
Are you sure?
Sir, SP came to the station.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Sir, please come fast, sir.
Yeah, I am on the way.
Uncle, what happened?
Nothing, one important case. I have to go. You carry on.
Uncle, coffee.
You just had. I have to move immediately.
Huh.
Every day, same issues, same station. Yeah.
Sir, what do you want, sir? Who are you, sir? Sir! Sir!
Hey, who's the editor? Huh? Hey, who's the editor? Call the editor. Hey, sit, man.
Hello. What's the problem?
Hey, are you editor?
What do you want? Tell me, sir. What happened, sir, exactly?
Huh? Baby crying.
Sir, please don't tease me, sir. If I know the problem, I can solve it, sir.
Problem is not for us, only for you. Who has spoken bad words about our leader? Who?
Okay. Problem started.
My leader is doing this or that. That is his responsibility. What is your problem, man?
Sir, please don't make noise, sir. It's a time to come see you. Whatever it may be, we will discuss, sir. Please calm down, sir.
One second. What problem?
Oh, you are the CEO? You want to have press office to make just one call. You want to see?
What you said? You have only 2 minutes left. You can call anyone. What? If you want, you can call your leader also. You told you will destroy this press also, right? Rekha, Bangle. You do that. Or else, put this bangle.
Hello,
Tell me, Virda.
sir.
Where are you?
Here only, sir. Press office.
Who told you to go there? Already she looking at our party be like a joker. Why are you two going around there? Tell me.
Sir, what is this, sir?
Get it from that place first.
Already 1 second is over in that 2 seconds. Only 1 more second is left. Get out from this place soon. That will be good for you.
Hey, you talking too much.
Hey, idiot! You get out!
Hey bro, why is she talking like this?
Hello, Rekha.
Hi, Ashwini, tell me.
Is Karthik there in office?
No, Ashwini, he's not here.
He said he's going to his uncle's house by 3 o'clock this evening. I don't know where he gone. He's not at all picking my call.
Why? Something important matter, Ashwini?
Yeah, it's important only.
Then, okay. If I saw Karthik, I will inform him.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Where he gone? Chhe. Karthik. I don't know where he gone. Everyone submitted the thesis. Oh, he'll scold me. Shoo, I don't know what I'm going to do now. Oh,
Sorry?
What, Karthik?
Take it.
What case is this?
Go and submit.
won't reject, right?
It will never reject, okay?
I'll go and submit now what you said. If he scolded something, I will kill you.
Okay. Go and submit. He can't scold you, okay? Go.
Okay.
Hmm.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. It's good. You brought a good case for being idle all day.
You are also sitting simply.
1 or 2 days, I will talk to the chief and get the approval.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Where is your ID?
It's in my bag, sir.
Don't come to the office without ID, okay?
Okay, sir.
Go.
He don't have any work. Thanks, Karthik. What synopsis case you gave me? He said okay after seeing that. I'm so happy.
Okay, I mailed you that case copy. You go through it.
Okay.
Okay? Then see you.
What he's saying, man, he's making lot of stories. If he asks something, he will not do. If she asks, he will do everything, no? Yeah.
Bro, mind your business,
Yeah, I am
bro.
not saying anything.
It's too late. If you sit like this, what happens to your body? Take pills, drink milk, and sleep.
Daddy, I'll drink. You just go.
I'm telling you for your own good. Go to sleep.
It's okay, Daddy. I'll drink. You just go from here. I have work.
Go to bed soon.
Good night. Daddy! Daddy! Daddy!
What happened?
Some bad dream, Daddy.
I'm already told to go to sleep.
Shit.
This is what will happen if you sit like this without listening to me. Please go to sleep. Where do you hear me saying? Come, come. First you go to sleep.
No, Daddy.
Come on.
I have some
I said
work.
come on. Come. Please take rest. 1 minute. Please have it. First put the tablet. Don't worry, nothing. Slowly, slowly.
Enough.
Okay. Take rest. Don't be afraid. Don't worry, I'm here. Good night.
Bad dream. Excuse me, sir.
How many mistakes in one paragraph, huh?
Sir, at
Shit.
that one.
Just go. Go and type another one. Go. Shit.
Good morning, sir.
Uh,
I have been trying to call you for 2 days, sir, but you did not attend my call. That's why I came here, sir, whether they have agreed with the thesis report or not, sir.
oh. Actually, I forgot to inform. They are not approved this case. You try to take another one. Okay?
Sir, you only said that it was interesting case. Now you are saying like this, sir.
Yes, I only said. But chief not approved this. What will I do? Tell me. And this also old case. You try to make it new one. If you handle this case, it will be a big problem. We can't do anything.
Sir, is it a problem that our press does not see the case? You only said it was interesting case, but now what happened, sir?
See, even police department also quit this case. If you do further investigation, if any problem, I have to say answers to everyone. Please try to understand me. Take another case, okay?
Sir, please, sir. Can you speak one more time for me, sir,
It's not
please?
at all possible, okay? Here you are senior or me, huh?
Sir,
Just go. Take another case, okay? Always coming useless
Sir.
cases.
sir. Sir. Please, sir.
Do you think you are a kid? Please understand the situation now. Just go. Find the new case, okay?
Sir. Shit.
Hello.
Karthik, where are you?
I'm outside, Ashwini. Where are you?
Can you come to the office and pick up me?
Okay, well. Then okay. After I go home, I will pick up you.
Okay.
Okay?
Bye.
Okay, bye. Okay, I'm leaving.
Karthik, can you come home now?
Hey, Dad isn't home.
Daddy is not at home, da. Night duty. He said he is having some kind of emergency case in hospital. So you come, no problem.
Dad is not at home. Right. Okay.
Hey,
Huh?
why are you laughing crazily? I said come inside.
Wait, coming.
Karthik.
Huh?
2 minutes.
Okay. Hey, we have to propose today. Come on, Karthi. Oh God. What a girl. Shoo.
Hey! Hey!
Nothing?
No?
Please.
No?
Just one time, please. Hey.
Leave me.
Hey. Hey.
Who's this? Somebody's here? Karthik! 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 Karthik!
Ashwini? Ashwini? What happened?
Karthik!
Ashwini?
Karthik!
Hey,
Karthik!
what happened? What's there?
Someone is there.
Who? Hey, Ashwini, no one there.
Someone is there, Karthik.
No one there, Ashwini. Okay, you first sit. Sit there. What happened? Tell me.
Nothing.
Relax first. Calm down. Please. Relax. Just calm down, okay? No one there, Ashwini. What, Ashwini? There is only 1 hour for 12 o'clock to celebrate your birthday. But you are sitting there scared like this. Okay, see, don't worry anything. You will see morning. Okay? Go to bed, take rest. Okay?
Okay.
Ashwini, advance happy birthday.
What gift is this?
You open it after. Okay, you take a rest. I will go. Okay?
I have written this novel under the pen name Karuvi, which is true story that happened in a village called Komalur in Kodaikanal. A couple named Devika Tamilarasan in Komalur have 2 daughters. The eldest is Samudra and the youngest is Devakanya. The family was living peacefully. While living such a beautiful life, the watchman Nedunchediyan comes home asking for work. Tamilarasan invites him in and talks to him and gives him a job. Days passed. One day the younger daughter Devakanya fell on the steps while playing. She had injured severely. They take it to the doctor and they fix it. One day there was a sudden scream. Tamilarasan, Devika, Samudra and 3 are screaming and watching. Devakanya is afraid of something. Devika, Tamilarasan, Devakanya all say peace. Devakanya is mesmerized. Devika, Tamilarasan, Samudra did not understand anything. That night, Tamilarasan looks at Nedunchediya through the window. Some changes in him. Suddenly, he laughs. Suddenly, he cries. He talks to himself while Tamilarasan was watching this. The next day, the watchman Nedunchediyan called and injured. Tamilarasan slaps Nedunchediyan to the end of the argument between the two. The god walks out with an angry glare. The next day at 11 o'clock, the electricity is suddenly cut off. Reason is Nedunchediyan. Tamilarasan house stands with a knife and angrily enters the house. A few hours after entering, the security guard comes out covered in blood. Meanwhile, Devika Tamilarasan, Devakanya and 3 others are lying dead in a flood of blood. Only Samudra escapes from that place to save her life. She ran away from there. Part 1. What happened? Seems to have a link between this thesis and nightmare. What it will be?
Hi.
Hi.
What happened? You asked urgent to come? Thank God. Can I order something? I'm so hungry. Excuse me?
No thanks.
What? No thanks.
Yes,
Hey,
we'll order later, Karthik. Karthik, you gave me one case synopsis, right?
yes.
What do you think about that?
What do you think about that? They said no, right?
In fact, after they said no only, it makes me interest even more, Karthi.
That's right. If you took that case, after they reject you, your effort will waste, right?
It will not be wasted, Karthik. We'll do without knowing them.
If they get to know, they will terminate you.
It's not a problem, Karthik. If we are proceeding this case, you should not be a reporter. Just you should use your brains.
Are you playing? You are doing this thesis for your job, right? Now you are saying your job doesn't matter?
Karthik, I feel incompleted. Why don't you understand my feelings? My life is like a fill in the blanks. I wish every day anyone can fill my blank space. I'm eagerly waiting, Karthik. Why you don't understand that?
I am the one of the reason for that, right? Why should I take that case and give the book to you?
That's what I'm asking you. Why do you want to take that book and give it to me? Like that, wherever I'll go, I felt like someone is following me, Karthik.
You mean that ghost is following you?
Do you feel that I'm joking with you, Karthik? Can't you understand my feelings?
Okay. Relax. Chill.
Leave it, Karthik.
What do you want now? You have to take that case. That's it. Okay, you do it. Whatever the problems comes, I will help you. Stop crying, please. Shall we order now? I'm so hungry. Huh?
Ashwini, breakfast ready?
Oh, it's already late.
Come on.
Karthik is waiting for
Up.
me. Bye, Dad.
Hey, what happened here? Why are you going without eating? He's
He's
coming.
always late.
Hi, buddy.
The office
what
time
a
is
heat
9, but
outside.
he reached here 9:30.
I think the time is correct to pick up and drop off, so that's why late.
What is your problem, man? You know that his press ID card we cannot use anywhere. Only in front of police we can use it, okay?
Yes. I also got catched by the traffic police. He asked a license. I said no. He asked me, where are you working? I said, working in Irmikaram press office. Immediately he sent me away.
Where? In jail?
Stupid. To my house.
Hi, bro.
What next, Karthi?
Why are you, bro, laughing?
Don't you know the reason to use press name properly? You are using unnecessary thing.
What is saying?
You all know the press power? Huh? Hey, how many years you are in this world? Don't you know?
What will he say today?
A pen has a value. A pen has a power to start your journey. A same pen has power to end your journey. If you understand this, you will become a good reporter. First, you understand this. Those people can't understand. Even you don't know?
Karthik,
Huh? Yes, coming.
see the time. How many
okay.
times I told you to
Okay,
come
come.
fast? Let's go. Sir, sir,
Yes.
can I get the address of the author of this book? Please help us, sir.
See, so many processes here, ma'am. And it's very difficult to find him. It's not so easy, ma'am. And it also 10 years old book. Like this, 4 members are came earlier. We just found the book. What you are going to do is, just come next week, okay? I will try.
Sir, urgent, that's why.
I told you no. I have a lot of work. Come to next week. I will try to find, okay?
Today also I'm getting late.
Ashwini, are you going to office? Please have breakfast.
Daddy, I'll go to office and I'll have it. It's already late.
No, please, first eat.
Daddy, it's okay. Bye.
That's not a big problem.
Come in.
Yes, yes. Hey, you are always happy.
Sir,
Wait for a second. What are you saying? Okay. Hold on. Tell me, madam.
sir, last week we asked about that author address, sir.
Oh, that author address. Ma'am, you just go and come tomorrow, okay? Hey, they are not understand my situation
Sir,
anytime.
same thing you said last week.
Same thing will tell you tomorrow. Go. You tell me, man. Then, hey, you got a cover? I don't receive. If money come, I will finish my work. What I'm saying, I don't mean it. Oh, you telling last time we got a cover, right? Have you seen that?
Sir,
I want exactly
please
this.
make it soon, sir.
Hey, you hold on the line. Now I will give you all the details, whatever you want. Hey, just hold on.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, tell me, man. Yes. Then what happened? Hey, don't tell me anything, huh? Okay.
What do you want?
Oh my god, he's calling. What am I going to say?
Madam, writer Kalidas is there. I want to talk to him about book. That's why.
Oh, I see. Okay, come in. Come, dear.
Sir,
He passed away the causes of heart attack before 1 week. I can't believe this. Suddenly, everything will be done here.
Madam, we came wrong time, I think so. We will come another day. Sorry.
It's okay, no problem. Tell me, what's the matter?
Tell them.
Madam, sir had written one book.
Please wait a minute. He wrote many books and gave full stop to it. But I don't know why he can't give full stop to this book. That causes him big grief and pain. This is the only reason. If possible, you can put a full stop in this book.
Sure, ma'am. Definitely we will do something for you.
Thank you so much,
It's
madam.
okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Okay, we'll leave, ma'am.